वन मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम सिविलाइजिंग द नेटिव एजुकेटिंग द नेशन का पार्ट 2 पढ़ने वाले हैं। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर द इंग्लिश एजुकेशन एक्ट, यानी कि आज हम एक्ट पढ़ेंगे। पिछले वीडियो में हम कवर कर चुके थे हाफ चैप्टर, आप प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हैं। द इंग्लिश एजुकेशन एक्ट ऑफ 1835 was introduced. The decision was to make the English the medium of the instruction for the higher education and to stop the promotion of Oriental institutions like the Kolkata Madrasa, Banaras, and the Sanskrit College. Okay. In 1791, the Hindu college was established in Banaras to encourage the study of the ancient Sanskrit text would be the useful for the administration of the country. It's an important point which we'll notice, which we have to note. Now, all officials shared these views and many criticize the Orientalists. Okay, these institutions were set up by the wealthy people of the local community. The system of education was flexible. There was no fixed fee, there were no printed books, and there is no separate school building, and there were no benches or chairs. यानी एक flexible system था. There was no blackboards, no system for separate classes, there was no roll register. कोई roll register नहीं होता था जैसे आज होता. There was no annual examination and the regular timetable. Okay, Adam discovered that the flexible system was suited to local need. For example, classes was not held during the harvest time when rural children often worked in the field. New routine, new rules means up to the mid 19th century, the company was concerned primarily with the higher education. After 1854, the company decided to improve the system of the vernacular education. Each guru was asked to submit periodic reports and take classes according to a regular timetable. What happened to the local school? The report of William Adam in 1830s. William Adam, a Scottish missionary, told the district of the Bengal गए थे वो and Bihar and asked the company to report on the progress of education in a vernacular school. Adam found that there were over 1 lakh Pathshalas in Bengal and Bihar imparting education to over 20 lakh children. These institutions were set up by the wealthy people or the local community. The system of education was flexible. ठीक है, we new routine and the new rules. Up to the mid 19th century, the company was concerned primarily with the higher education. After 1854, improved the education system, vernacular education. Each guru was asked to submit periodic reports and take classes according to the regular timetable. Adam discovered that this flexible system was suited to the local need. For example, classes were not held during the harvest time when rural children often worked in the field. ठीक है, English education has entailed as Mahatma Gandhi view on Indian education and the Tagore Abode of a Peace, Rabindranath Tagore view of Indian education. Here we will differentiate between the education system point of view of Mahatma Gandhi and the Rabindranath Tagore. English education has entailed us, यानी कि महात्मा गांधी कहते थे कि इंग्लिश एजुकेशन हमें स्लेव बना रही है. कैसे? अकॉर्डिंग टू द महात्मा गांधी, द कॉलोनिकल एजुकेशन क्रिएटेड ए सेंस ऑफ inferiority in the minds of Indians. It made them see Western civilized as a superior and destroyed the pride of they had in their own culture. Mahatma Gandhi wanted an education that could help Indians recover their sense of dignity and the self-respect. As per Mahatma Gandhi, Western education focused on reading and the writing rather than the oral knowledge. It valued textbook rather than the lived experience and the practical knowledge. Tagore Abode of the Peace, Rabindranath Tagore's view on Indian education. Rabindranath Tagore started the Shanti Niketan in 1901, which is an important question many times asked in examination. Tagore felt that childhood ought to be a time of self-learning outside and rigid restriction discipline of the schooling system set up by the British. Teacher had to imaginative, understood the child, and helped the children develop her curiosity. According to Tagore, the existing school killed the natural desire of the child to be creative, her sense of the wonder. ठीक है. Difference between the Gandhi and Tagore view about the children education. Gandhi ji was highly critical of the Western civilization and its worship of मशीन एंड द टेक्नोलॉजी. मतलब गांधी जी कहते थे कि जो वेस्टर्न है, वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन एंड इट्स वर्शिप मशीन से एंड द टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है. टैगोर वांटेड टू कंबाइन एलिमेंट मॉडर्न वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन विद व्हाट ही सा एज अ बेस्ट विद इन द इंडियन tradition. Gandhiji considered work with their hands and learn a craft and know how different things operated as an education, while Tagore emphasized the need of tea, science and technology at the Shanti Niketan along with art, music and dance. And हम कह सकते हैं कि आज भी जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम फॉलो हो रहा है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू टैगोर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है कुछ एक हद तक. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो अगर ऐसा होता है तो थोड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी और डेवलप हो जाएगी. ठीक है. इसी के साथ अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पे मिलते रहे. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.